Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. In our last episode, we talked about the beautiful festival of Diwali. Today, we're crossing the globe to talk about a very different kind of festival that takes place on October 31st, especially in the United States. Halloween.
Halloween is famous for its spooky, fun, and creative traditions. It's becoming more popular around the world, but many of the customs can be a bit confusing if you didn't grow up with them.
So today, we're going to give you a clear guide to the most important Halloween traditions and the English vocabulary you need to talk about them.
Part 1. What is Halloween?
Let's start with the basics. Halloween is a festival celebrated every year on October 31st. Its main theme is the supernatural and the spooky. Think of ghosts, witches, monsters, and skeletons, but all in a fun, playful way.
While it has ancient historical roots, the modern version of Halloween is really about community, creativity, and candy. It's a day for both children and adults to have some fun by dressing up and enjoying a festive, spooky atmosphere.
Part 2. Key Halloween vocabulary.
First up is the most important tradition, trick or treating. This is mainly for children. They dress up in costumes, which is our next keyword, and go door to door in their neighborhood. They ring the bell, and when someone answers, they shout, "Trick or treat!"
The treat is usually candy, which the homeowner drops into their bags. It's a very exciting evening for kids. So the two key terms there are costumes, meaning the special clothes people wear to look like a character, and trick or treating, the activity of asking for candy.
Another iconic symbol of Halloween is the jack-o'-lantern. This is a pumpkin that has been hollowed out and carved with a spooky or funny face. People place a candle or a light inside so it glows in the dark.
And for older teens and adults, a popular activity is visiting a haunted house. This is a special attraction, like a maze or a building, that is set up with actors and special effects to be scary in a fun way.
Part 3. Useful English phrases for Halloween.
Now, how can you talk about Halloween? The most common greeting is simple. You just say, "Happy Halloween."
As we mentioned, the essential phrase for children going door to door is trick or treat.
A great question to ask someone before the holiday is, "What are you dressing up as for Halloween?"
And if you see someone in a great costume at a party, you can say, "I love your costume," or "That's a great costume." Part 4. Let's role play. I'm imagining I'm telling Tom about my family's Halloween plans. Hey Tom, are you doing anything for Halloween this year?
I don't have any big plans, Anna. What about you? I know your kids get very excited about it.
They do. My son is dressing up as a pirate, and my daughter wants to be a scientist. We're going to take them trick-or-treating around our street for about an hour.
That sounds fun. Did you carve a jack-o'-lantern this year?
Of course. We made a very silly-looking one and put it on our front step. The kids are very proud of it.
Well, I hope you all have a wonderful time. Happy Halloween.
Thanks, Tom. You too.
Part 5. Final Lesson Review.
That was a fun overview. Let's quickly review the 4 key terms for Halloween. 1. Costumes. Special clothes for dressing up. 2. Trick or treating. The activity of going door to door for candy. 3. Jack-o'-lantern. A carved pumpkin with a light inside. 4. Haunted house. A scary funhouse attraction.
And the most important phrases are Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat. We hope this helps you understand this spooky American festival a little better. Thank you for joining us.
Is Halloween celebrated in your country? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next lesson.
And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.